You can click the official website of EmpowerStats software. Click Net to download the software for free. Click to download. Here are the versions 6.0 and 4.2. For example, download the 6.0 version. The 6.0 version can be used for Mac or Windows systems. So, for example, click on Windows. Click here to download the installer. If an update is required later, you can directly click to download the update program. Native Demo Download Original Installer. Run the downloaded program. Click to accept the next item. The installation path needs to be given here. You can put it directly on the C or D disk. For example, here I put it on the D disk. Click OK. Note that the folder here uses the default D drive. EmpowerXYS, please do not put it under other folders. Otherwise, an error will be reported. It doesn't work. Click Next. A desktop shortcut will be created here. Click Next to install. Then click Done. When first installed, it will automatically open XAMPP. This interface appears, indicates that the local server started successfully. Then follow the installation instructions to open the URL. If you are a new user, can be in the two boxes on the right. Register as a user. If you already have users of EmpowerStats software, you can log in directly with your email and password. Fill in the two boxes on the left. Click Next. You can copy the URL below to a new one. Browser interface. A line of verification code will appear here. Copy the verification code. Return to the previous interface. Paste the verification code just now into this box. Click to activate this machine. OK, the activation is successful. Click on EmpowerStats Statistics. Select File. In the working path, a 123 analysis exercises under the folder. It is the practice data that comes with the software. We can choose the demo. Data Selection Demo. Excel Open and Submit. Data reading was successful. You can try to run it. Research Population Description module for paper graphs. For example, put in age, gender. View results. Good to appear. The results show that there is no problem with the software installation and operation. If you want to analyze the data yourself, you can share your own data. Store in the A123 folder of the working path. Attention! Data files and folders should have exactly the same name. For example, the folder name is Attitude. The data name must also be Attitude. This name. Do not appear spaces and Chinese characters in the path. Otherwise, it will cause an error of R. Supports Excel. Direct reading of files such as CSV, R, and SAS. After the data analytics is completed, click to save the analysis project. So next time, you can directly open this data project. Click on. Open the drop-down menu for an existing analysis project. You can see existing projects. Note that when the 6.0 version exits, you need to shut down the local server as follows. Otherwise, it may not be open normally next time. To run the operation, click the first stop. Click on the second stop. Then click Quit. You can quit normally. The next step is to close the page. The above is the first download and installation process. After successful installation, if you open the software again, you can click on the desktop shortcut. Then open the URL. Log in to localhost. Click Statistics to run. Note that if some computers cannot be installed, or it cannot be opened after using it for a period of time, could be antivirus software or a firewall deleted some system files by mistake. You need to download and install the software on the official website again. At this time, it can be in the previous folder. Copy all the data files first, e.g. Data Analytics files. Store in A123 folder. The entire folder can be copy and paste into a hard drive. Make a backup. Then delete the entire EmpowerStats folder. Equivalent to uninstall complete. Download and install the software on the official website again. The previous data analytics project can be returned to the original data analytics folder. In the path, for example, the demo data folder can be replaced. Is that so? You can retrieve all the original working files. If you use your database function, after establishing the database, if you need to reinstall the software, you can EmpowerStats with MySQL data. In the Data folder, you can see the Data Web folder. Is the folder where the system files of the database are stored. Before updating the software, you can copy this folder back up to another hard drive. Then delete it again. After installing your software, return the file to this working path. Database established before this time. Project files and data files can be retrieved. More operating instructions. You can see the installation guide on the official website or follow EmpowerStats WeChat official account. Get more teaching content.